tree that we saw back there, the one that was hollow, this is how it starts. It starts like this. These roots haven't gone up, they've grown down. So notice they're not suckling onto the tree, they're not stuck to the tree. They didn't grow holding the tree. They started from the top and they're hanging down. So this in a couple of 100 years could be a big monster surrounding this host tree. So this is the same thing we saw before, but much younger. These are creepers, all just tangling up the host as well, another type of tree. If you're a big tree, you make a lot of friends. Everyone wants to be your mate. Everybody wants to hitchhike to the top.
Go in front a little bit, nice. Go in front a little.
This is good roofing material.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Fan palms grow very fast. They're very lightweight. They grow very quickly. They've got massive leaves, more energy. Super successful, these guys. Fan palms.
Now fantastic prawns.
Prawns.
Always take photos of them because when I get home,
Yeah,
I
you
forget.
keep on forgetting it, you're right.
Yeah, true.
I thought I was the only one that forgets.
No, it's with everybody. Look at Ariana.
They will put it. It's a little bright, right?
Yeah, it was a little dark that day.
No, it's burners are bright. Oh, ikkada ujjada ade. Nice light. Look at these roots here down.
Hmm.
Green mangrove. They've just changed from that freshwater rainforest to saltwater mangrove. So this is the same creek we've been following, but behind us we've got more water, it's not running. So that's the tidal water that's coming in, tide every day. Sorry guys, just be careful. So, nice shirt. So you've got these big basket ferns here, growing up in the trees. They're called, well, as a group name, called them epiphytes, which is Latin for live on, but not live off. So a parasite lives off something.